Facebook just announced they are changing their name to Meta.
It is time for us to adopt a new company brand to encompass everything that we do, to reflect who we are and what we hope to build. I am proud to announce that starting today, our company is now Meta. Our mission remains the same. It's still about bringing people together. Our apps and their brands, they're not changing either. And we are still the company that designs technology around people.
So they're basically trying to become the owners of the metaverse. And they announced it through some video that they portray Mark as some kind of Steve Jobs.
It didn't just change Apple, it changed the whole computer industry.
He's basically doing what Elizabeth Holmes was doing with that outfit, but whatever.
This is what happens when you work to change things, and first they think you're crazy, then they fight you, and then all of a sudden you change the world. And I have to say, I personally was shocked to see that the Journal would publish something like this.
Her voice, her deep baritone voice, was that fake too?
But the best part about this was the comments. This AI is getting really good at blinking, it's learning. Welcome back to the episode of Dystopian Made Real and Bad VR Chat. This really feels like an episode of Black Mirror. And this is really true. Just look at the like to dislike ratio on the post. We have all seen Mark in Congress.
Senator, I believe the answer to that is no, but I can follow up with you. I can make sure that we follow up with you afterwards to get you the information you need on that. Team follow up to flesh out the details of it. And I think we should follow up on the details of that. I can follow up or have my team follow up to get you the data on that.
Okay.
Have my team follow up with you to get you the information. I can make sure that our team follows up and gets you the information on that. And I can follow up with you.
After? Thank you.
And we can come back to you with the results.
And somehow we are expected to trust this guy and this corporation with our home and our workplace. He's extremely cynical. He portrays an image of caring and respect, when in reality he has no respect for the customers whose privacy has been exploited. And do you really believe big tech cares for anything other than making the big bucks? To be honest with you, when they dropped the video, I was very happy because I didn't see amazing technology, nor did I get hyped from the video. I actually felt bad because Facebook, not even with those millions, can make a decent video. And the metaverse will be created by creators.